Cocoa. The cocoa seeds are planted in a nursery and groomed until it's ready for planting in a fertile land. When it matures, it is harvested and the seeds are dried, scaled, and sold to individuals or companies. Cocoa is used to make beverages.
We are also contributing our little way to the development of our community through giving an opportunity to work and make a living from it. Not just that, we also make sure that once we produce here, that's the cocoa, we dry them. After we finish drying them, we take it to the scale, then scale it and sell it. But also, it's either we sell it fresh like that, or we dry it and they export it. And there are a lot of other things we have here. We have plantain, we have banana, we have a lot of things. And our soil is very fertile. It's a place I think you should come and invest in, because if you invest, you're going to make a lot of money from it. Less risks, more gain, and a lot of opportunities here which you can achieve in agriculture. Thank you very much.
Have you ever visited EFFRAYA or any other place in ETUNG local government? We would love to hear your experience. And stay tuned till next time when we'll bring you more recipes from other regions in Nigeria.